Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video on the 03 to 06 Honda Accord. We're going to be doing the trunk latch today, and you'll see that sitting here on the lid. I'm going to watch for these two 10mm bolts underneath here, and you can just see one of them right there. Oh, there's the other one. And you're also going to look for this blue clip underneath here. Let's see if I can see it. Okay, I'm going to release that first because there's a metal bar that goes between the lock cylinder here and the back of the latch. So you have to release that in order to get the latch to drop down. So we've got an electrical plug. It is 3-pin connector. I use an impact in the junkyard, but you can use a regular 10mm bolt here, socket for 10mm. So see, the latch is loose, but it is stuck. What I do next is pull out the release. This is the cabin release. You can just pull that out and unclip it. Now you twist the latch out. You'll see that metal bar. The 06 and 07 Accord doesn't have that. There's a little overlap with 06. Those trunk latches have a flat back. So you see me release this. There's a green clip on the back. So that just drops down there. So there is our trunk latch. And installation is the opposite of removal. Watch for that metal bar there. And those are our two 10mm bolts. We'll see you next time.